Welcome to my channel viewers. I hope you are all fine. So in this video you will get very beautiful and very stylish latest and very trendy different items of white like jeans. This is very beautiful and very best, very trendy idea of flared distressed jeans, unique bell bottom, medium weight and very stylish weight, very fabulous printed and plain jeans collection. I hope you will like this video. Loads of plazo style, loads of pant style, jeans stuff plazo collection are available for ladies. So watch this video completely for getting ideas related to fashion and style. Viewers, if you are new in my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. This is ideas video. You can only get idea through this video. Very beautiful and very stylish, very unique latest plazo jeans collection. Jeans trousers are available for ladies. This video is only for ideas, so you can only get idea through this video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to give your thumbs up. For more latest collection, you can visit my channel. Thank you all for watching this video and stay tuned with us. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. For more latest collection, you can visit my channel, because in my channel you will get much more fashion related content. It's very beautiful and very trendy jeans collection.